Hello everyone. So today's video is actually kind of hard to do because I decided to just stick with 5 winter beauty must-haves instead of just letting myself go crazy. I actually was making my list and I was like, ooh, I have way more than 5. And then I started pulling products and I was like, I really have way more than 5, but we're gonna stick with 5 today. If you guys wanna see more, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what are your winter beauty must-haves. I'd love getting your guys' recommendations as well. Before we get into the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get into my 5 winter beauty must-haves. All right, the first product that I have for you guys is something that's very like far-fetched for me because I never talk really about nails here on my channel in like the last 6-7 years, except for what I get in PR. So this is definitely gonna throw you for a loop, but this is a holy grail product of mine and it is a cuticle oil. I mean, just one look at it. It's so beautiful. It's got little blossoms on the inside of it. So this right here is a cuticle oil, and this is the one that my nail tech always uses on my cuticles, and he was telling me for the longest time, Madison, you need to get this cuticle oil. Your cuticles are so dry. And one day I came across this in Marshall's and I was like, holy crap, this is where they sell this at? So I instantly picked it up. You can pick up all different kinds, different scents. This is the Blossom Scented Cuticle Oil. It is absolutely amazing. I leave this on my nightstand, and what I do is I just take it and I just lather my cuticles, and oh my God, it also smells so good. But I just lather this over my cuticles every day, and it just really helps nourish them, especially in this dry winter season. Definitely a must-have, smells amazing, and is awesome for your cuticles. Just leave it on your nightstand and just do it right before you go to bed really quickly, and it just really nourishes them. So love that. And I figured you guys would appreciate that because that is like very different than anything I've ever talked about on my channel. So we're branching out. Okay, so next thing when I think winter and beauty, I think also again just scents. Like scents are everything, especially like perfumes. And this one I received in PR a while ago and I have been obsessed with it. It's my favorite scent to wear for a night out, for like a holiday party. It just has this like spice to it, the sophistication, but still flirty at the same time. It is absolutely amazing. I'm hooked. I am so hooked on this. It's just, I don't know what it is. It like screams like, honestly, like you can wear this all time of year, but it's just like, it has that warmth scent to it that just makes you feel like, I don't know, it just makes me feel warm and cozy and elegant, and just like all of that just encompasses into the scent right here. So I absolutely love this fragrance. It is amazing. I definitely recommend going and checking it out at like Sephora or Nordstrom's. I'm sure they have it there with the tester so you can smell it, but it's a really good date night scent, night scent. It's awesome. For my third beauty winter must-have is another oil, but this one is for your face, your neck, and your décolleté. I love this stuff, you guys. I use this only at night. I do not use it in the morning. It's way too oily to go underneath your makeup, way too oily. But at nighttime, it is absolutely amazing, especially in this winter season when you're running your heater and you literally just feel like a dried up sponge. Like that's how my throat feels. It's horrible. I gotta turn on my humidifier. But I just feel like so dry. So I just lather my face in this stuff. This is, I didn't even say the name. This is Ren's Ever Calm Barrier Support Elixir. You put about a few drops of this in your palm of your hand, rub it up, warm it together, and press it onto your skin and your neck and your décolleté. And you do it the night before, like before you go to bed. And it just makes your face like just get all the hydration that it needs, and it really calms and soothes everything too. So if you're feeling like really dry and just like chapped, this will really help you, especially if you have redness or something in your skin and your skin is being really sensitive. You got to try this stuff out. This is my favorite line from Ren. Well, actually, this is kind of hard. I love the Calm line, but I'm actually becoming to love the Vitamin C line from them too. But this has been my top one like favorite line from them for years, and I love this oil just because it really helps it really helps my skin, especially in the wintertime. Again, sticking with the dryness, you guys. I'm so dry right now. And this is what I've been lathering on my lips. Even Ross has been stealing this from me too. But I have been lathering this on my lips multiple times a day. It's the best. It's the Tatcha Kissu lip balm. I actually believe my code might still be active. I'll have a link down below for it, but I believe it's Madison 15 where you can save 15% off. But this has been my favorite lip balm for years. This one, I think, I can't even tell you how many of these I have been out of, but I'm literally almost out of this one. And I literally just coat my lips in it, and it's like the one lip balm that really makes your lips feel hydrated the second that you put it on, and then also even when it starts to disappear, your lips don't feel chapped. You know how there's some chapsticks out there or lip balms that are out there that you put on, they make your lips feel even drier once it goes away? This doesn't do that. This actually helps, and it just feels so good on your lips because it just like, once you rub your lips together, it just rubs and like together very smoothly and easy. It's just moisturizing and hydrating. It's like everything that you need right now. I love it. It's my favorite lip balm of all time. This is like my go-to. For my fifth beauty winter must-have, which as you guys know, during the winter time is the holiday time, and I love a red lip. I need a good red lip. And the one that I have been loving right now is actually the one that I'm wearing. Oh my gosh, you guys. The formula of these Sigma Beauty lipsticks that they just came out with more new shades of are absolutely amazing. They're like a comfort matte formula, but it doesn't look matte on your lips. It's got a little bit of shine there, which is awesome. And it doesn't feather out. It doesn't like transfer easily. It's not gonna get on my teeth. Like, you know how a red lip, when you're out and about, you're constantly worried that it's gonna smear on your face and that you're gonna be talking to someone. You're gonna have like red lipstick on the side of your cheek or on your teeth or something like that. I always freak out when I wear a red lip out for those reasons. But this one is absolutely amazing, and I think I have a 10% off code with Sigma. I think it might be Madison 10. I'm not entirely sure. I will have it linked down below and put in a parentheses for you guys so that way you can use it. But again, like these new lipsticks that they came out with, well, they launched these lipsticks a long time ago, but they came out with new shades, and I'm loving the new shades. So the shade that I am wearing right now, which is like the perfect classic holiday lip, is called Ecstasy. And it's just absolutely beautiful. It's like your classic red, but it's not too warm, so it goes with my like kind of more pinker skin. So I love that it's so flattering. They also have another red that's scarlet, and this one's more of like a deep like, you know, brick red with more purples, more cool tones into it. That one is also absolutely gorgeous. And then they have some great like mauve and nude shades too in the collection that I think are just awesome every day. Like this one is absolutely stunning right here. Let me show you guys this one. This one is called New Mod. And that is just like a perfect everyday color right there too. And again, the formula is perfection. I love it. I'm loving this formula. It just glides on, it stays on, doesn't feather, and it just wears really well and really comfortably. So I highly recommend those lipsticks. And if you're looking for a new red lip for the holiday season, you got to check out that one. So again, it's called Ecstasy. I'll put the name down below for you. Okay, so that was my 5 winter beauty must-haves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of quick, but I do have a lot more. So if you guys want to see more or hear more, all that, let me know in the comments down below. I can definitely do more. I even do some clothing ones too, like fashion. Like I was actually going to add one in here, and that is like the Spanx leggings that are like the faux leggings. Like these are such a good like pair of leggings to wear during the winter time because you are comfortable and they dress up. You could dress up any outfit for like a holiday party. I've worn these already so many times for holiday parties, but I was like, no, you Madison, you got to stick with the beauty stuff. So let me know if you guys want to hear any more of winter must-haves, and I will be more than happy to do that for you guys. Also leave your must-haves down below for me. I love you, and I will see you guys all in my Saturday video. Bye.